Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Home gardens offer a wide varieties of benefit to the environment and serve a diverse group of people. Home gardening provide a source of fresh produce and free of chemical. It also give you complete control over the chemical and products used during the growing process. A home garden allows you to pick the produce when it's ripe, unlike products to the store in often picked before it's fully ripe. The quality and flavor of the freshly picked produce from home is better than the produce that might. The gardening is a beneficial aspect of for men anyways day-to-day life. It's something that is enjoyable for the elderly, young children, single, married, and for the family to together. Whether the garden is for aesthetic or purpose, the hard work put into the garden is worthwhile. Garden can provide financial relief, a healthier diet, and a healthier lifestyle. Gardening is a great learning of experience, no matter the age. It gives small children that wow factor they get to watch. And gardening can be one of the most enjoyable and relaxing and rewarding thing you can do. It is a one of those projects that you are only limited by a very few things. Your limitation can be space, time, and resources, but never your imaginations. Regardless for those few restrictions, you can still create the idea garden that you and other can enjoy. Whether you plan gardening from plants or plots and reside pet. Your greatest challenge can be in getting started before you being designing or breaking ground. Thanks for watching.